Welcome to my channel, where luxury meets innovation and travel becomes more than just a journey. It becomes a lifestyle. Today we're diving deep into something that has taken the entire motorhome world by storm. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the Million Volvo 2026 Futuristic RV that everyone's talking about. This is not just an RV, it's a vision of tomorrow. A rolling masterpiece that blends futuristic design with ultimate luxury, giving us a glimpse into how the future of road travel is going to look. The Volvo 2026 Futuristic RV motorhome is nothing short of extraordinary. With its sleek aerodynamic body, cutting-edge LED lighting, and bold Scandinavian-inspired design, it instantly makes a statement wherever it goes. The exterior has been crafted with futuristic curves, giving it the appearance of a luxury spaceship on wheels. Built on Volvo's latest high-performance chassis, this RV combines strength with smooth handling, making long-distance travel feel effortless. Every inch of the design has been engineered to reduce drag, enhance fuel efficiency, and deliver a ride that is both powerful and eco-friendly. Inside, it feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury smart home, offering an unmatched blend of comfort and futuristic technology. Step into the kitchen, and you'll see why this motorhome has been hailed as a rolling palace. The design is ultra-modern, with sleek countertops, induction cooktops, and smart appliances that respond to your voice. A futuristic touchscreen panel allows you to control everything from the oven to the fridge with just a tap. Storage has been optimized with hidden compartments, soft-close drawers, and customizable racks for ultimate convenience. Even the lighting in the kitchen adapts to your mood, whether you're preparing a quick snack or hosting a 5-star dinner on the road. Imagine cooking while watching the sunset through panoramic windows. It's an experience unlike any other. The bedroom in the Volvo 2026 RV feels like stepping into a high-end luxury suite. The centerpiece is a king-size smart bed with adaptive comfort technology, adjusting firmness based on your preference. Surrounding it are ambient LED strips, mood lighting, and even a built-in entertainment wall with 8K display and surround sound. Privacy is guaranteed with noise-canceling walls, making rest time feel like a retreat from the world outside. The panoramic glass roof above the bed allows you to stargaze from the comfort of your pillow. Add to this climate control, underbed storage, and designer interiors, and you've got a bedroom that redefines road luxury. Moving into the bathroom, Volvo has truly outdone itself. It's spacious, futuristic, and designed for both relaxation and convenience. The shower features rainfall settings, steam modes, and even aromatherapy options for a spa-like experience. A smart mirror doubles as a personal assistant, giving you weather updates, travel routes, or even playing your favorite music while you get ready. High-end finishes like marble effect walls, heated flooring, and touch-free faucets remind you that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury lifestyle statement. Even water management is advanced, with purification systems ensuring eco-friendly use without compromising comfort. Now, let's go through it once again to give you the full immersive feel. The Volvo 2026 Futuristic RV motorhome continues to be a global talking point, combining smart mobility with unmatched living comfort. Its futuristic styling makes it more than just a vehicle, it's a destination in itself. With autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise, and AI-powered navigation, it's not only luxurious but also incredibly safe and intelligent. Returning to the kitchen, it still amazes with its intelligent design. The futuristic appliances, modular dining setups, and hidden wine coolers make it ideal for travelers who love gourmet living. Whether you're making a quick meal or hosting a feast, this kitchen adapts to every occasion while giving you the joy of cooking on the road. The bedroom, once again, steals the spotlight with its soothing environment and luxury details. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a sanctuary that makes you forget you're traveling at all. The level of comfort here rivals 5-star hotels, giving every traveler a private oasis in the middle of their journey. The bathroom, with its spa-like elegance, remains a favorite feature among motorhome lovers. Having such refined luxury on wheels changes the way we look at road trips forever. From steam showers to heated floors, this bathroom proves that no detail was overlooked. For those who love comparing giants, the Kenworth W900 motorhome also deserves a mention. Known for its rugged build and American-style dominance, it represents power, tradition, and timeless luxury. While the Volvo 2026 is all about futuristic elegance, The Kenworth W900 brings a classic yet powerful vibe that appeals to those who love old-school charm with modern upgrades. Finally, let's circle back to the Volvo 2026 Futuristic RV Motorhome, the true showstopper of this review. It represents innovation, luxury, and the future of travel all rolled into one. From its aerodynamic body and high-tech interiors to the unmatched luxury of its kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, it leaves no box unchecked. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in road living. So if you're dreaming about the future of luxury travel, the Volvo 2026 Futuristic RV is your answer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive reviews of the world's most incredible motorhomes. Until next time, travel smart, travel in style, and keep chasing luxury on the open road.